Unlock the future of payments with your Android device. It's easier and more secure than you think. First things first, let's get your digital wallet set up on your Android phone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Connections or Connected Devices. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version. Look for an option related to digital wallet. Tap and Pay or Payments. Tap on it to access your digital wallet settings. If you don't see it, your phone might have a pre-installed app like Google Pay. You can also download it from the Google Play Store. Now, let's add your payment methods. Open your digital wallet app. You'll typically see a prominent Add Payment Method or Add Card button. Tap on it. You have a couple of options here. You can either use your phone's camera to scan your credit or debit card details. It's surprisingly accurate. Or you can manually enter the card information. Carefully input your card number, the expiry date, and the security code on the back. You'll then need to agree to the terms and conditions and verify your card with your bank, usually through an SMS code, email, or a banking app. Once verified, your card will be added, and you're ready to go. You can add multiple cards for different accounts or loyalty programs. To make a contactless payment, simply unlock your phone, open your digital wallet app, select the card you want to use, and hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal until you hear a beep or see a confirmation on the terminal and your phone. For enhanced security, ensure your phone has a strong lock screen PIN pattern or fingerprint. Many digital wallets also offer additional security layers like tokenization, which means your actual card number isn't shared with the merchant. That's it. You've now learned how to set up and use your digital wallet on Android for secure and convenient contactless payments. Embrace the ease and security of mobile payments.